This morning, it appears the ancient comet streaking through our solar system could not stand up to the sun. Scientists say that Comet Ison largely disappeared from view after its Thanksgiving Day close encounter. But as Lee Cowan reports, there might still be a fleeting trace of the space spectacle.
It had been careening through the solar system for more than 5 million years, a frozen cocktail of ice and space dust that was like a time capsule of the universe. From the day Comet Ison was discovered last year by 2 Russian astronomers, there were high expectations for that little dot. The hope was that it would slingshot around the sun on Thanksgiving Day and be visible to the naked eye early next month as it headed back out to space. But like the fabled Icarus, Comet Ison flew a bit too close to the sun, within 730,000 miles, in fact. And as astronomers the world over held their breath, Ison went dark.
I would expect that if the comet had survived, we should be seeing some of that stuff coming around the other side.
Carl Badams, a comet scientist at the Naval Research Laboratory, put it more bluntly.
But it does seem that Comet Ison probably hasn't survived this journey. That could be the nail in the coffin.
Later images showed just a fragment of what appears to be the comet's tail, but nothing more. The last calling card of what some astronomers early on had hoped would become the comet of the century. While we on Earth will miss what could have been a dazzling light show, scientists say they were still able to learn valuable information from an object that's older than the Earth itself.
It's coming from the very edge of our solar system, so it still retains the primordial ices from which it formed 4.5 billion years ago.
Comet Ison, however, lives on in the Twitterverse. Some mourning its early demise, while others found a bit of humor in it all. Looks like the sun destroyed Ison, read one tweet. I hope it's proud of itself. NASA may have said it best on its Facebook page. Breaking up is hard to do. Now the search continues to look for the next great trail of light. For CBS This Morning, I'm Lee Cowan in Los Angeles.
This morning, scientists aren't quite ready to write Ison's obituary. They are studying images that may show part of the comet is still out there, even if it's nothing more than a trail of dust.
I hope so. It would have been a spectacular show by all accounts.
We're all hoping for it, right?
You could do it, Ison.